Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Fried chicken wings, crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with bold Asian-inspired flavors. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for fried chicken wings. You'll learn exactly how to marinate the chicken for maximum flavor, get that crisp texture without deep frying, and cook them perfectly every single time, all using simple, easy to find ingredients. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious fried chicken wings. Step 1. Preparing the marinade. In a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of 5-spice powder. The link for making the 5-spice powder is given in the description box, or you can type 5-spice powder in your comment and we will send you the link. 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. If oyster sauce is not available, then add 1 extra teaspoon of soya sauce along with 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. You will also need 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Mix everything properly. Our marinade is ready. Step 2. Preparing the chicken wings. We have taken 500 grams of chicken wings. Take a chicken wing and cut it into 3 parts at the joints. You'll get a drummet, a winglet and a wingtip. Keep the drummets, winglets and discard the wingtips. Or you can use the wingtips while you're making soup. Our chicken wings are ready to be marinated. Step 3. Marinating the chicken wings. Place the chicken wings in the marinade. Ensure all the chicken wings are completely coated with the marinade. These chicken wings are marinated in a blend of sauces and spices that give every bite that perfect balance of savory, tangy, and mildly spicy goodness that keeps you coming back for more. Cover and keep aside for at least an hour. Step 4. Frying the chicken wings. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken wings. Fry the chicken wings for around 3 minutes on one side without stirring.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
After around 3 minutes, turn the chicken wings and fry them on the other side for another 3 minutes without stirring. This will make it easier to flip and move the chicken wings around without sticking to the pan later. Do not cover the pan while frying the chicken wings. Both sides should be cooked evenly. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves restaurant-style appetizers but wants to make them easily at home. With clear cooking tips and authentic seasoning, it's ideal for Indian taste buds while keeping that irresistible global flavor twist. After around 3 minutes, add the remaining marinade along with 3 tablespoons of water. Now cook for another 12 to 14 minutes, stirring and turning the pieces occasionally. Do not cover the pan while frying the chicken. Ensure the chicken is not sticking to the pan. If needed, add little more water. After cooking for around 12 to 14 minutes, the excess water will dry out and the chicken will be cooked. If using larger sized chicken wings, then increase the cooking time by a few minutes. Great as a snack, party starter, or even a quick family meal. These fried chicken wings are sure to be a hit. Enjoy the chicken wings hot with tomato ketchup. Delicious chicken wings are ready. Do post a comment and let us know how you like this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.